Hi, everyone. I hope you are having a good day. We have talked about solving a system of equations. We've used graphing, where you have two lines, and wherever they cross, that is a solution to the system. We've used substitution, where you substitute one variable, y is equal to 4x plus 7, in the other equation, and then solve it. Today, we're going to do the last one that we're going to talk about here, and it is going to be solving a system of equations. Sorry about that. It is going to be solving a system of equations where through a thing called elimination. So today we're going to work on solving a system of equations by elimination. You do have some things that you can follow along with, okay, on your worksheet. Mine looks a lot like yours. This one up here will be the same, but these are not the same, okay? So here's what we're going to do. We're going to solve a system by elimination. Okay, we have this right up here. 2x plus 5y is equal to 17. 6x minus 5y is equal to negative 9. If I tried to solve these for x or for y, I'm going to have some fractions. And I don't like dealing with those fractions. So I'm going to eliminate one variable. I have 2x plus 5y is equal to 17. 6x minus 5y is equal to negative 9. What I'm going to do, I can see that this is a positive 5y, this is a negative 5y. If I add these two equations together, I'm going to eliminate a variable. I can only do this if I can add them and the variable is going to be completely gone. I have 6x and 2x, which is 8x. I have a positive 5y, a negative 5y, it's gone. Over here, I have a 17 and a negative 9. When I add those together, I have 8. Divide both sides by 8, and I have that x is equal to 1. Now, that is my first step. I eliminated it. Over here, it says substitute the solution for x to solve the eliminated variable. So I'm going to substitute it in one of these. It doesn't matter which one. I'm going to substitute it into the first one. 2 times, instead of x, I know that x is 1. I'm going to finish out my equation. Plus 5y is equal to 17. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 5y is 17. I'm going to subtract 2 from both sides. 5y is equal to 15. And then divide both sides by 5. Y is equal to 3, because 15 divided by 5 is 3. The last step, write your solution as a solution set. My x value is 1, my y value is 3. And I'm done. Now, okay, I'm going to do I'm going to do another problem like that for you. You do not have this one on your paper, okay, but I'm going to show you how easy it is. I can see that I can add these together and my x's are going to be gone. I have a positive 4x and negative 4x, okay? So when I add those together, the x value is eliminated. 8y and 2y is 10y is equal to 20, and negative 30 is negative 10. So y is equal to negative 1. Negative 10 divided by positive 10 is negative 1. I know what the y value is. I need to substitute it back. I can substitute it into either one of these. Let's substitute it into the top. 4x plus 8 times, instead of y is negative 1, is equal to 20. 4x minus 8, 8 times negative 1 is negative 8, is equal to 20. Add 8 to both sides. I have to add it. Since it's negative here, I have to add it to both sides. And I have 28 When I divide both sides by 4, x is equal to 7. The last step was write it as a solution set. My x value is 7. My y value is -1. Always write your x value first, then your y value, even though I didn't solve them in that order. Okay? Now, one more thing that you may have to do is solve a system by multiplying one equation. If I'm looking here, I have a 2x plus 15y is equal to -32. A 7x minus 5y is equal to 17. If I add these together, nothing is going to cancel. But what I can do, if you're looking right here, I can multiply this by a 3. I have to multiply everything by a 3 because 3 times -5y is going to be a -15y, and then those would cancel. So down here, I'm going to write my equation, my top equation. I'm not changing it at all. -2x plus 15y is equal to -32. All I did was copy the equation back down. But now I'm going to multiply the 3 by the whole equation. 3 times 7x is 21x. 3 times -5y is -15y. I have an equal sign. And 3 times 17 is 51. So now what I'm going to do, I can add these together. I have 21x minus 2x is 19x. The positive 15y and negative 15y are going to cancel, and 51 and -32 is a positive 19. Divide both sides by 19, x is 1. Now I need to put x back into my equation. I can put it into any of them, it doesn't matter. Let's put it into the top one. -2 times 1 plus 15y is equal to -32. -2, 2, and -2 and +1, multiply those together is -2 plus 15y is equal to -32. When I add 2 to both sides, this is negative, so to get it over to the other side, I have to add it. I have 15y is equal to -30. When I divide both sides by 15, y is -2. Write my solution as a solution set. The x value is 1. The y value, -2. You have, I believe, 4 problems that you need to do and use these procedures. You can come back and look at this video tomorrow because there will not be a new video tomorrow. It will just be practicing on the elimination. Again, I'm here from 10 to 11 and 2 to 3, Monday through Friday on Google Meet. Have a great day.